A woman's life is a beautiful, unfolding story. Each stage brings its own strength, its own grace, its own opportunities. Then comes a shift, a natural evolution, a time to listen inwards, to nurture ourselves in new ways. Menopause is not an ending, it's a continuation. A time to flourish with the right support by your side. Nutrilite Women's 40+ Support. A safe, effective botanical supplement. Just one a day to help you feel your best through your 40s, 50s, and beyond. From seed to supplement, full transparency you can trust. Created by women, for women. This chapter is yours to live fully, with confidence, vitality, and joy. We're just getting started.